broke the rule that said a thing with feathers absolutely has to fly. Why must they fly? Some creatures have two wings that flap, but you won't find them up there in the sky. Try, they're not up there in the sky. Gravity they don't defy, they'll never soar, won't even try. Have you heard? Flightless bird. With wings that flap, they've been supplied, but after that things run alright. Well, have you heard? Flightless bird.